Hello, Sharon. Good morning.
Say hi kay teacher.
Hi.
Hello. Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah.
Ikaw, hindi ka na doon. Oh, bebe, buka man na.
Hello,
Mati ka na doon.
Sharon.
You stick in your face.
Okay, how are you today, Sharon?
Good.
Good. Okay, can you say I'm good, teacher?
I'm good. This guy has new collections. He can use Hulk mode, stretchy mode. Look, he's already stretchy, and he can use flying mode. You
Oh,
wanna
let me
see what
see.
he look like? Like when he has the flying mode, this what he look like, the, and that is when he's flying.
Oh, he's stretching.
And the first one he got is normal mode.
Oh, let me see it.
So he couldn't see it. He's hiding it so he cannot let anybody see it.
Oh,
Sorry. If
oh
he
no.
does, if he smacks you, it will hurt a lot. So I'm not showing you. Sorry.
Oh no. Teacher is sad. Sharon will not show me.
He'll smack me harder like this.
All right. So, hello, Jaren. Are you done with your dinner, Jaren?
I don't think so.
Why? You don't eat?
Did I? Hmm. He, on- he only bring the fly mode, but he just keep it. He just want to play with it. He just want to fly everywhere,
Oh,
and
wow.
it's.
All all right. But of course, this time, Jaren,
Hmm.
yeah, are you ready to learn something new?
Yes.
Are you
Hmm.
excited? We're going to learn math today. Ooh.
Yeah. He smashed at me. He smashed at me like this.
Oh. Okay, can you focus now on teacher? Ivan, we're gonna learn something. Okay, now
Okay.
can you give teacher the correct answer on this one? One plus one.
Two.
Oh wow, that's fast. How about two plus three?
Uh, one, two, three, four, five. There is five, of course.
Okay, so the correct answer is five.
Five.
Job. Okay, now we're gonna use. Oh no, we're gonna use. Okay, so you don't need to write something, Ivan. Okay, just focus on teacher here. Okay.
Six, seven. Erase what you. I'm
Uh,
gonna erase what you would try. I can readily erase what you're drawing.
yeah. Okay. So here we are going to add numbers using line here. Okay. So we yes we're gonna use a line in. Okay. All right. So let's try this one, Ivan. Let's try this one, Jaren. Okay. So look at the screen here. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
All right, so let's try to add these numbers using the lines, Sharon. Okay, so
Okay.
here, okay, as you can see in the picture or in the screen, Sharon. Okay, let's focus on this one, Sharon. So, what are the numbers that we have here? Let's count it. We have starting on 0,
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8,
8, 9,
and 9.
10.
Okay, so we stop at 9 here. Okay,
Uh,
so we are going to add two numbers, Sharon. Okay, then we are going to use the line here. Okay, could you help teacher? Okay,
and he also got swimming mode. He can swim very good. He can also go under water for 500 minutes.
Wow,
It's
that's
very long.
it's very long. How about Sharon? Can you swim also? Do you
I
have a
can, but I cannot breathe. But I run out of oxygen and very fast because I'm still 5 years old. Maybe if I'm 6 years old, I can be much better.
Okay, so yeah, you will be much better if your age will be if you grow as well. Okay, but this time, Jaren, as you can see it here in our screen. Okay, let's add number 3 to number 6. Okay, 3 plus 6. Okay, let's do this one. Can you follow teacher,
3
Jaren? Okay,
plus
let's start
6.
with number 3.
1,
Okay,
2,
let's start with
3,
number 3 here. Okay, look at
4,
the
5,
screen.
6, 7, 8. It 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 is 8. 6
Is
3
it
plus
8?
6 is 8.
Okay, let's
Yeah.
check if it's 8, Jaren. Okay, look at the screen here. Let's focus, Jaren. So we're gonna count from 3. Okay, look at this one, Jaren. Okay, let's go. Let's do the the addition hops. Okay, so Jaren, from 3, we are going to hop on number 4.
3,
Okay,
4,
4, and then
5,
5, and then
6.
6. Okay, so how many hops did we made? We have 1, 2, and 3.
3.
Yes, but we have to add 3 because we need to add 6 on number 3. Okay, so let's add 3 more. Okay, it will hop into number 7 here. 7. And then it will hop into number
8.
8, and then
9.
9. Okay, this time, Sharon, 3 plus 9. What is the answer?
3 plus 9.
Yes. So we started, okay, we started from number 3 here. Okay, so we need to add 6 on it. Okay, we have to add 6 on number 3. So we need to hop 6 times. Okay, so we need to hop 6 times here. So from 3 again. Okay, Jared, let's focus on this. So from 3, what will we do? So let's hop 6 times. Okay.
Okay.
1. Okay, so 1. So it will be 4. And then 5.
5.
6.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, so now, Jared, 3 plus 6.
9. It's 9.
It's
9.
It's 9. That's right. So for number 1, the correct answer, 3 plus 6, we got, again, what is the answer?
9.
Wow, yes, that's right. It's 9. Okay, great job, Sharon. How about Sharon if we add 6 plus 3?
But my toy just break.
Oh, why?
Let me just fix it. It's easy to fix it.
Oh,
It happens all the time.
Oh, I see. Let me
Just
see. Let me see
it's
how to
just
fix
like
it.
this.
Oh, you just okay. You have to insert it. Okay, I see.
Every day if it's a different toy, I tell my mom or dad to fix it. But this one, it's easy.
Oh, you can do it by yourself.
But if it's in the school bus, it's hard. If it rolls out, I cannot find it. So it cannot stick it anything.
Okay, so now, all right. So, Jaren, let's have it. Let's continue with our lesson. So again, for number 1 here. Again, what is the answer if we add 3 and 6?
3 and 6. It is 9.
Okay, is it 9? But how about if we're gonna add 6
1,
and
2,
3?
3, 4, 5, 6.
How about if we are going to add 6 plus 3?
6 plus 3. It is
Mhm.
9.
It's still 9, correct. Okay, great job on
1,
that.
2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 plus 2 is 7.
Wow, you're so fast. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how do we add it using the hops here or the line. Okay, so as you can see here, Ivan, okay, we're gonna start with number 2. Okay, so here we have to put an arrow. So can you help teacher count? So we're gonna put one arrow from number 2 going to number
3,
3, and then we have to add.
4,
Okay. And then next we
5,
have 5. Okay. Can you count how many arrows did we made?
5,
How many arrows? We
3,
only
2,
have how many
5,
arrows?
5.
Here. Okay, so we need to make we need 5 arrows here to get the sum of 2 plus 5. Okay, so here, Sharon, we need to add how many arrows? Okay, can you look at it, Sharon? How many arrows we need to add? So here, we have to add how many arrows?
Okay.
All right, so look at here, Sharon. So we already have 3 arrows here. So we are going to add more arrows. Okay, look at the screen, Sharon. So let's add another one here. So it will what and
6,
what? 6. And then?
7.
Yes, that's right. Great job. Yes, so as you can see, we started our, counting on number 2. Then we have to add 5 arrows so that we can get the correct answer. And what is the correct answer, Jaren? We have?
It is 7.
Very good. It's 7. Okay, so 2 plus 5 equals
7.
7. How about if we add 5 plus 2?
5 plus 2, it's still 7.
Great job. That's right. It's still 7. Wow. Very good, Sharon. Okay, now let's have it here. How about this one? 1 plus 5. Okay, so we are going to start our counting. Okay, in number 1. All right, so how many arrows will teacher make? Okay, so we're gonna make how many? How many arrows?
5
5. Okay, so let's let's start making
1 plus 5.
Yes, okay, so we have to hop or we have to draw 5 arrows
1,
here.
2, 3, 4, 5. 5. There is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6.
Okay,
1, 2,
so
3, 4, 5.
yes, that's right. Okay, so okay, so let's have it. Okay, let's add. Let's add what?
2.
Okay, so we have to add another arrow here. So 1 and then 2.
2, 3, 4,
4 and
5.
okay, so we need to add 5 arrows. Okay, this time, Sharon, 1 plus 5. What is the answer?
6.
6. That's right. So we need to end here at 6. Great job. So 1 plus 5, it's 6.
6.
Correct. Okay. So again, how about if we add 5 plus 1? What will be
5
the
plus 1.
answer?
Still 5.
Oh, 5 plus 1.
Still, no, it was 6.
Okay, it's 6. Great job, Jaren. Okay, now let's try this one. How about the last numbers that we have here? Okay, so here we're gonna answer 2 plus 6.
6.
Okay, so we're gonna add it. Okay, starting on what number? 2. How many
2.
arrows will teacher put here? We have
6.
okay, so let's
And
put 6
1,
arrows.
2,
Okay,
3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Of course, there's 8.
okay, so there's 8. Okay, but how do we
1,
how do we make it
There-
using arrows? Okay, look at this one.
1,
Okay, so let's start. Okay, writing our
2,
arrows in number 2.
3,
Then
4,
let's
5, 6, 7,
okay.
8.
Okay, so we have to put 6 arrows from number 2. Okay, going to 3, 4, 5, and then
Oh.
6.
6, 7, 8. Oh,
Is this correct?
Mom.
Is this correct, Sharon? Is it in 7?
Yeah. No, 8.
Okay, so we have to add one more arrow. Okay, great job. That's right, Sharon. So, correct answer is number 8. Okay, so how about Sharon? 6 plus 2.
6 plus 2
Yes.
is 8.
Okay, still it's 8. Wow, great job on that. Okay, this time, Sharon. Okay, let me okay, let me open another example for you. Okay, so here we are going to answer another
Question.
another numbers.
Question.
Yes,
Oh.
another numbers here. Okay, so Jaren, so this time we have an example again. So to add 2 plus 7, okay, what is the answer here? If you check on the arrows here. Where, okay, here. Where's the last arrow? It's
1, 2, 3, 4.
here. Look at the screen.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. What? 1,
Okay,
2,
again.
3,
Okay,
4,
let's do
5,
it here.
6, 7. There's 7, of course.
Okay, so we have an example here.
There is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That's right. So you have to move 5 arrows here from number 2 going to number 7. So the correct answer we have is 7. Okay, now let's try this one, Jaren. Okay, so we have here 3 plus 3. Okay, so how many arrows will teacher
1, 2,
make? So we are going to start in number 3.
5, 6. Of course, 6.
Okay, so from number 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes, that's right. So we need to start a number 3, okay, because this is the base of our number. Then we have to move how many arrow, Jaren? How many arrow?
4, 5, 6.
Okay, so how many arrows? We have
6.
here. Let's count how many arrows. 1, 2, and
3.
3. That's right. So 3 plus 3 equals
Equals 6.
correct. Equals 6. Okay, amazing. Great job, Ivan. This time, let's have it here. Okay, we have another example. Okay, Jaren, how about if we add 1 plus 7? Okay, so
1
let's,
plus 7.
yes, let's
1,
start.
2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. 8, 8, 8.
8. Okay, so here, as you can see, we have the base number, it's 1. So we are going to start counting by 1 here. Okay, so let's start with number 1. Then how many arrows I will write, Sharon? So we have 1. How many?
1,
Okay,
2,
then let's move it number
3,
3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, there's 8, 8, 8, 8.
Okay, so we have to, draw how many arrows? Can you count the arrows only, Jaren? How many arrows? Just count the
Okay.
arrows only. How many arrows?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so we only have 7 arrows, okay? And then we're gonna, count it. So from number 1, if we add 7 arrows, what is the answer here? It's
8.
8. That's right. Very good. How about Sharon? If we add 7 plus 1?
It's still 8. Tatay, can you give me
Okay.
my pink?
Yes, very
Tatay,
good.
can you give me my black
It's
orca?
8.
My
Okay,
black and white orca.
Focus on teacher, focus.
Okay.
Okay, it's still 8, Sharon. Great job. Okay, now let's
It's math,
add
it's math.
this one. Okay, how about
You
here?
focus, you focus. Okay, I'll teach you. Mm.
Okay, so
4
here,
plus 5.
Sharon. Yes,
1,
4
2,
plus
3,
5.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah.
Okay, but this time we're gonna use the arrow here. Okay, so
Oh, use the
again,
arrow.
okay,
Focus.
so the base
No,
number
focus,
we
focus.
have is 4. Okay,
4.
so we need to
Mm.
start counting in number 4
Four.
here. Okay, how many arrows,
1,
Sharon, teacher will draw? So how many arrows? We need 5.
5.
Okay,
5.
yes. All right, so let's count the
1,
arrows.
2,
1.
1.
3,
Wait for teacher, wait.
Okay, 1,
4,
and then 2,
2.
2,
You wait for teacher.
3,
3.
okay, 4,
4,
5. Okay, okay. Will teacher put another arrow, Jaren?
Will teacher put
Do
another
I
arrow?
need?
Wait.
Yeah. Do I need to?
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
The teacher need to put another arrow, or yes or no?
Do I
Because
need to put it
reached
here
9
another?
already.
It's 9 already
No,
here.
Oh, what you will say to
All right.
teacher?
So
no.
No. Okay.
no. Okay. So what
You
is the correct
focus,
answer,
so that you.
Jaren?
What's the
4
correct answer?
plus 5. We have.
It is 9.
Okay. Wow.
You need to
Amazing.
you
Great
focus.
job.
Okay.
That's right.
Mhm.
Okay, so again, Sharon. So 4 plus 5.
4 plus 5, you look at teacher.
4 plus 5 is 9.
It's 9. Okay, but how
Okay,
about
9.
Sharon if we add 5 plus 9? How about if we
It
add
is
5 plus 9?
Oh, 5
5
plus 9.
plus 4, sorry.
5 plus
5
4.
plus
No,
4.
it's still 9.
Wow, that's
yeah.
great. Very good, Sharon. So it's still 9. Okay, great job. So that is how we add numbers using an
That's how you add.
arrow. Okay, so let's check the answers here.
Oh, the
Okay,
answer. Let's see.
so here.
Send. Check if
So
you're
for
correct.
number
Oh.
1, all right. So again, if we add 2 plus 5, how many arrows?
No,
How many arrows?
there is
many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
Okay, great job. And the correct answer, 2 plus 5. Okay, where can you see the last arrow? It's in number
7.
7. Great job. Okay, another one here. So,
Another
how
one.
about for 3 plus 3? How many arrows?
6.
6. That's right. And how
Three.
many arrows? 3. Very good. Great job. Okay, here. Okay, this
Okay.
time, Sharon, how many arrows? Mm-hmm. How many arrows? So from 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
all right,
One,
so we have 7.
two,
So where can you
Okay.
see the last
three.
arrow?
Aba,
In what
napupo ka
number?
naman. Ha?
In what number is the last arrow?
8.
8. Okay, so 1 plus 7, Sharon, it's
$2.
Happy teacher.
uh,
It
it's 1 plus 7,
is 8.
it's 8. That's right.
Happy teacher.
Okay, how about you, Jaren? Are you happy today as well?
Not
you
that because
Not-
because I miss my mom. I'm from more. I miss
Where
my
is your
mom
mom?
because she is in work.
Oh, I see. Okay, so you after our class you can call your mom. Okay, you can talk to your mom. All right. But of course, Sharon, okay. How about this time? On the last, okay, numbers that we have here. How many arrows again? Okay, we need to put if we add 4 and 5. Okay, so let's start in number 4 then. How many arrows? Okay, can you count, Sharon? How many arrows we need?
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5, that's right. And where can you see the last arrow? It's in number
It's number 9.
9, that's right. So 4 plus 5, Sharon,
It's 9.
is 9. That's all right. Great job. Okay, so that ends our lesson today. Sharon, can you give teacher a high five? Let's do the wow, great job. Okay, can you give this one to teacher as well? Okay, teacher will give you a big heart. Okay, because you're
Okay.
great today. Okay, how do you make it? Yes, that's right. Okay, great job. Thank you. Thank you, Jaren. Okay, so I'm having fun today. Okay, great job. You can add numbers as well. So just keep it up, Jaren. Okay, see you again tomorrow, Jaren. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. I'm going to Roblox.
Okay,
Where's
bye bye.
Roblox?
Enjoy it
Bye.
there.
Where's Roblox? Where's Roblox?